In this video, we will discuss about Java. I will give you short introduction on Java. We will cover topics like first, what is Java? Second, who developed Java? Third, what is Java used for? Fourth, features of Java. Fifth, components of Java programming language. And sixth, types of Java platforms. Java is generally class-based, object-oriented programming language designed for having lesser implementation and dependency. So it is widely used in developing Java applications in laptops, computers, supercomputers, game consoles, cell phones, etc. Now coming to our second question, who developed Java? Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995 in Sun Microsystem, but later it was acquired by Oracle Corporation. And there is one interesting thing about Java which I am going to tell you is that Java is not a technical name. It was the name given by James Gosling when he was having coffee near his office. And actual Java is name of an island in Indonesia where world first coffee was produced, and it was named as Java Coffee. Third, what is Java used for? Java is used in various Android applications. Java is used in computer applications. Java is used in scientific computers, as well as Java is also used in side servers technology. Some important features of Java. Java is easy to use and easy to learn programming language. If you return the code once, you can run it in any platform. Java is also platform independence. Once you return the code in one machine, you can easily execute it in another machine. Fifth, components of Java programming language. First, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. Second, JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. And third is JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Now coming to my last point, types of Java platform. First is Java Standard Edition. Second is Java Enterprise Edition. Third is Java Micro Edition. And last, Java FX. But as we know, every coin has two sides. So Java is also having two sides, advantages as well as disadvantages. So advantages is that Java has built-in security, means it is safe to build an application or program in Java language. And Java also has the large community, means you have large support team, as well as if you want to learn the Java language, you will get high support. Now coming to disadvantages, Java is so closest as compared to C++ because it uses virtual machine for automatic memory management. Finally, it was the short introduction on Java. Thanks for watching.